Hello my lovely people, how are you doing? Welcome back to another unboxing review with TellnotorTellasis. Today I am gonna be unboxing these lovely fans to you. I'm sure you guys have not forgotten the 18th and 19th of July in UK. That was a massive heat wave. That heat wave actually came with vexation, man. I haven't seen something like that. Anyways, you need to have these affordable cooling fans in your home. And the amazing thing about these cooling fans are you can use them and keep them away for next time, and it's super affordable. That's the basic thing. Okay guys, let's get into the unboxing. This is the packaging. It's quite a very simple packaging.
Just a little chit chat as we observe the packaging.
People wonder, why is it that when it is 40 degrees in UK, it hits differently than 40 degrees in other countries? I think maybe because there is water surrounding us. So when heat wave comes from water, it hits differently. And also the building system is also built for cold weather. There is no inbuilt AC. So all these things contribute in making the heat wave more drastic, right? All right, let's open it. I've actually opened it. I've been using this fan since 2020, so it's not new. After using it every year since I bought it, I just pack it back up and store it and bring it back anytime the heat wave is up. And that's the amazing thing about this fan, because it doesn't take any space at all. So there's nothing more, it's just a fan, and then here comes the manual. I've been using it for the past 2 years, since 2020. They advise you don't place it close to sun. I don't know why. If you read the manual, you're gonna see. But here is our fan. It's Tesco product. As at the time I bought this fan, it was just, I think, £15. I bought it for just £15. I wasn't sure if it will be any good, but believe me, this fan is really powerful. I'm gonna plug it on now and see how it works. Right, this is the settings. This is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2, and then this is the oscillating power. So if you press this one, be oscillating in a standby mode, and if you release it, it's gonna start rotating. So I'm gonna keep it for you to see. It's really blowing cool air, very cool air. It's super quiet. You see, you cannot hear the sound at all. It's super quiet. That's the highest one. So now it is in standby mode. So I put the oscillating mode, it will start rotating.
I love this fan because it is also travel friendly. If you have a need to travel with a fan, you can just chunk this in your box. Off you go. It will serve you the purpose. And then the downside is, if it's really hot, it will not really give you that cool air. But wait a minute, I have a solution for that. That is why I will also be reviewing this thermal decorative and noise reduction curtain, which I have here. This curtain right here is a thermal and noise reduction curtain. It is made of high polyester fiber with triple weaving technology. I love the way it drapes, and it doesn't wrinkle easily. I don't think it had ever wrinkled since the time I bought it, which is over 2 years now. It is machine washable in cold water and then dry.
And this one is about size 55 by 96 drop. If you look at it, you will see how thick it is. Each piece has about 2 cm. You can actually get the one that is about 8 cm by 4 cm.
This is the thickest I saw as at the time I bought mine.
I bought this curtain because my window is not double glazed, so a lot of noise is coming in. So I bought it to block noise, but it can effectively block light. Look, when I lose the drape, when I lose it the way I tied it, You see, there is no wrinkle at all, and this is why I love it.
You can also see that it effectively blocked light and ultraviolet rays, which provides you with a comfortable sleeping environment. With this fan in a high heat wave period, you will have a very cool nap. Even though they said you don't have to put the fan near the window, with the help of this thermal decorative noise reduction curtain, I do not have to worry about wherever I am placing the fan. So this is a good to get curtain. It also can block cold. Inflation, you need to really find a way to cut cost.
So we're gonna go over to the next product.
Here we go. As you can see, it's the Honeywell Fan / Ventilator, a turbo force powered fan. This is the new improved packaging. Just allow me to feel the new packaging first. They say that you can feel the power from 7 meters away. We shall find out later. This product is clearly really powerful. UK is really proud bringing this home. You know, I will see what it has to offer. Like, I will give you the result. This is the best buy fan this summer. Like, it was, I think everybody was buying it because I can honestly say it is worth the price. But anyways, let me not start talking too much. Let's just go into the unboxing straight ahead. I love everything about the packaging, the labeling, and the way they arrange things inside the box. Look at the manual. You don't need the manual anyway to set it up. It's a no-brainer. Box. This one came in an extra package in the box, but it doesn't really matter because you just have to remove it. The plug is a normal UK plug. So there we go. Everything about the packaging is good. Now let's bring it out and go into the real product feature. There we go. This model of Honeywell Turbo Force Power Fan is best buy due to its 90 degrees variable tilt feature, 3-speed settings, its quietness, portability, and the fact that it can serve both as a wall mount fan or a table fan. So it's time to put it to test and see how it works. Let's plug it on. It's plugged on now. Here is the control power. So I'm gonna put it on and try on different settings to see if it really can blow from 7 miles away. Let's see. Oops, pardon me, 7 meters away, not 7 miles. Ooh la la. It's really cool breeze. Wow, this is really amazing. It's really amazing. I think whatever they said is not hooks, so you can see you can hang it and it's no problem. This fan is best buy now because buying now you can get 16% off using the link below.
If you haven't got yourself a cooling fan, these ones are super affordable. Anybody can buy it. These people are not paying me anything to review this product. It's a product that I have used, and because of the economy, I know people want something that is super good and affordable. This is why I am reviewing this product. So please do me a favor and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, join the family. Okay guys, this is it for this review. What do you think? Do you like the fan? Are you going to buy it? So there is a link down below for you to buy any of the product. There are affiliate links and it is not going to make you pay more for this product. It is just a way of getting commission for referring you to buy through the link. All right, and it makes things easier for you as well. Okay, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video. Thank you very much. See you next week in the next one. Bye.